I picked this up at Walmart for about 30 bucks, and it kind of caught my eye, you know. Usually you don't even see like mixers for just like 30 bucks at Walmart, so I just wanted to get it to see if it was good or bad. But there's a couple things with this. We got voice effects, sound effects, USB-C, Bluetooth. We got mic outputs, USB-C Bluetooth connectivity for easy setup and streaming, 20 plus built-in sound effects, voice effects for truly unique audio experience. Includes audio stream mixer, user manual, 3 connect cables. Okay, let's open it up. Cables. Got the mixer right here, manual. Everything is right there for how to use it and all that. There's another one. Okay, so got USB to USB Type-C, Type-C to Type-C, aux cable. And we got the sound mixer itself. And build quality. It's plastic. Knobs. Knobs are okay. We got the buttons. Buttons are like, feel like cheap, like calculators, like those calculators you get for school. Seem like that. We got the knobs. Knobs are, these top knobs right here are kind of clicky. We got the power button, just like the bottom ones, kind of that calculator feel. And then we got these 2 knobs right here. And yeah, here's the top. We got effect, 2 headphone jacks, dynamic mic, 2 microphone ins. One problem I have right away is there is no USB mic thing. Like, all my mics go from this to, like, I don't have a dynamic mic, so that's a problem. And other than that, yeah, it's all plastic all around. Yeah, let's get into it. Turn it on, plug it in. Okay, so I got everything set up now. Once again, I do not have a proper microphone because there's only dynamic mic for this, so I have to use a bad headset. Warning. And also, I had another problem. I was trying to set up my headset so microphone, obviously microphone goes in this one, so I put a headset in it that was microphone, and then I put earbuds into this one, and it wasn't working. So the only way I found it to work was if I put these headphones, they're Turtle Beach headphones, into the headphone one, and then they finally were able to use the microphone and be able to hear through them. So that's how I was able to make it work. And I think this one is used for something else I don't know. So it's probably not important then, but yeah. Okay, let's turn it on quickly. Okay. And everything's set up. Now I have to switch to the other microphone. So, microphone warning, it's going to sound bad. Okay, here's the bad microphone. Sorry about the audio wise, but okay, let's mess around with some of the buttons. First, we gotta do the air horn. that is louder than my microphone. Okay, this is going to be fun to edit. Record scratch. Yep. Ding. Okay. Crickets. Sensor. So I can go, what the? There. Perfect for that. Sad trombone. Okay. Car horn. Yep. Clapping. Okay. There's a couple other things I want to look at, and all the ones down here. Also, I turn this off on purpose, or else it sounds like this. Turn all of it up. Whoa. Yeah, I don't want that. So I turned it off. Also, we have shift voice lower.
Whoa, now I have a really deep voice. Sound like anonymous. Okay, let's go to higher pitch voice and I'm gonna sound like a chipmunk.
Okay, now I'm a chipmunk. I mean, this is kind of funny. I hear myself, so. Hee ha. Mute. I just said I can't mute. You can't hear me now.
Wait.
I can turn myself up higher. Okay, that's cool.
Just lower.
And high. Oh, turn these off. Okay. And then we need high. So we turn this off. Now it's more. You can't even hear my, like. See? You can't really hear me, like, clicking. Snaps. Low. So now it's just the middle. You probably can't even hear me right now. This is just kind of janky. Microphone volume, I'll turn it all the way down. Turn it back up and up and up. Okay. There's Bluetooth though too. I gotta see what that does. Give me 1 second. Okay. So I don't know exactly what this does. Yep. Pair. Just Bluetooth connected. Okay. So
Casual podcast. Now let's start up with an article.
Oh, okay. So what it does right here? Open up podcast. You know, you could use this Bluetooth feature to like listen to legal means of music with your friends, possibly. But on my hand, you can listen to controversy, but podcast. A recent argument reignited the debate as prominent voice actors and game developers weigh in. So I guess you could kind of use it to like. Of Lindbeck's. You could kind of use it to like listen to music with your friends. That's kind of cool, I guess. But I don't really have anything else about this. Probably gonna outro on an actual good mic, so this doesn't sound horrendous. But yeah, I think I displayed almost everything really. Bluetooth. I did all the buttons, different highs and lows, so you can cut out like certain frequency ranges, I guess, kind of. But this is a $30 audio mixer once again, so. But there's no USB microphone, which kind of sucks. Then I gotta use crappy ones like this. And yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, it's time to go back to the good mic. Okay, this is the end. Back on the good mic. I'm never going back to that other mic, but I think for $30, it's okay. But I mean, like, I wouldn't spend, if I were to invest in something like this, I wouldn't just get the first cheapest option. You know, audio mixing is kind of important for things that you want to do. You know, like if you're recording a podcast or something, you know, this does advertise. Perfect for customizing streams and podcasts. You know, I don't think that this would be the best option for that. I think you'd want to invest in something better, maybe like a $50 audio mixer or something like that, but it was okay, I guess. I mean, it was from Walmart, of all things, so, you know, you're kind of getting, like, bottom of the barrel, in a way. But this is the end. This is the review of the Vivitar Creator Series audio stream sound mixer. Impressions, I'm kind of disappointed. You know, my major complaint was it doesn't even have a USB, only dynamic, so like that cuts out almost half the options for like everyone. You know, dynamics only used mainly for like podcast stuff and like professional music wise. You know, usually people just pick up USB mics, which most people that would even pick this up would probably be using USB mics, so yeah, that's kind of my problem with it, really. I mean, if this is what you're looking for, go out and get it. You know, plastic. It kind of has a cheap feeling to it, but yeah, I think that's it. I'll do another review of other stuff sometimes. See you guys later. Bye.